what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm doing a revamp of Sweet Caroline. So, yeah, let's go over it. See what we got here. We got a B major bar chord. So that's 7th fret, first finger, and then 9, 9, and 8. And then we're going to move that to an E major. 1, 2, 3. Back to B major. F sharp major. So same shape, 2nd fret. B major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hits. 1, 2, 3. 2 hits. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the verse. Then we have the pre-chorus. We're gonna play a B major here. That's 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. First time, just B major, and then we want to add this note as part of the vocal melody. So what would that? What kind of chord is that? Let's see, G sharp. So that's gonna turn into a B13, I believe. So and then F sharp and E and F sharp, of course. Verse. Down, down, E major. Hit, hit. Okay, let's move on to pre-chorus, B major, B13, F sharp, E, F sharp, Sweet Caroline, ba ba. Do that walk down. F sharp, E, E flat, D flat, down, new string. Oh, they go back to that intro. There it is. Sweet Caroline. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe.